So in this session, I'll cover how I can use CoPilot in Azure portal to write Azure CLI queries. So as you can see, CoPilot is available in preview in Azure portal. You might be very familiar with CoPilot in Microsoft Edge web browser and CoPilot in Windows 11. So now I'll let you know how we can use it for writing Azure CLI. So let us ask Copilot how I can know the number of data factories in my subscription. So I'll ask it to write a CLI for the same. So it has provided me with the suitable Azure CLI, that is AZ data factory list, and it will fetches all the data factories in our current subscription. So in the suggestions, you can see it has provided us various other options, such as how can I create data factory using Azure CLI? How can I create or delete or update data factory using Azure CLI? So we can also click on that in order to know how we can do that. So meanwhile, I'll just ask it to fetch the trigger and details of any data factory. So I'll ask, so we can use this command to fetch the list of resource groups. So, but what I need is data factory. So I'll ask it again. Name. That is, we can replace this. We can replace the resource name, resource group name. We can provide the suitable date ranges. And let me ask. So in order to stop the trigger run in my data factory in Azure CLI, we can click on this. So I can use this command and I can replace the factory name and my resource group name and will stop the trigger. So now if need to know the pipeline run status or whether any pipeline failed in my data factory, how would I do that? So I'll ask Copilot. and it's smart enough to know which data factory lies in under which resource group. So incomplete details are also fine. So I didn't ask for the list of pipelines, but it has given us that also. So we can use it to list all the pipelines. Then once we get the list of pipeline, I can search it by the name of pipeline, and it will tell me details of that pipeline, whether it failed or it ran successfully. How can I restart a failed pipeline in my data factory using Azure CLI? So this is interesting. Let's just see. So you can see I can use this Azure CLI, and I can type the name of the failed pipeline and it will rerun it again. So that's all for this session. So we'll cover more in the upcoming sessions. And thank you for watching my session.